Yeah, what's going on YouTube? So I'm here with this video. I just got my package. This is from the Ghost Shop. This is my iced out handcuffs, and it's time to open this up real quick. See how it looks. So got a little card. Let's see what it says. Nice. Okay. No, card look nice. What else we got here? Bag. Try to open this real quick. Got the iced out handcuffs from the Ghost Shop. This is like for all my haters that y'all dying to see me in handcuffs. But this is the only type of handcuffs you're gonna see me in. The iced out handcuffs. Beautiful. It's from the Ghost Shop. Got the logo right there. Iced out all the way. Let's see what it looks like. Hold on. There you go. Like I said, it's from the Ghost Shop. Iced out handcuffs. Got the logo right there in the bottom. It's for my haters. This is the only type of handcuffs y'all gonna see me in, so y'all can keep hating, because these handcuffs are like fire. I think this shit is hot, man, for nothing. I like it. So there you go, guys. Just comment on the bottom. Let me know what you think about these handcuffs. Just can't wait to see it in the natural light outside tomorrow. See what it looks like. I'll do another video when I'm outside, natural light. But right now, this shit is beautiful. Alright, that's it from the Ghost Shop. There you go, you have it. Just comment, let me know what you think about it. And I'm out.